My job role is an security analyst, SOC analyst. Actually, when I got an interview on that day, I had our graduation day, but I was like, if I want something, I should leave something.
Hi everyone, welcome to EdYoda Alumni Talks, and this is your host Rishabh Chatterjee. And in this video, we have a special guest here with us, which is Sindhu. So welcome, Sindhu.
Hi, sir. Welcome.
And thank you so much for coming. And can you tell us all, like, in which company you have got placed?
Yes, I have placed in Intertrust Group, which is of like Europe company, and our headquarters is Amsterdam.
And what is the job role?
My job role is an security analyst, SOC analyst.
All right. And can you tell us, like, which program did you study from EdYoda?
Yes, I have studied data science.
Okay. All right. So when you finally got to know that you have got placed in this company, what was your reaction like?
Actually, when I got an interview on that day, I had our graduation day, but I was like, if I want something, I should leave something. So as on the day, on the interview day itself, they have declared like you were selected.
And what
Like,
was your family's reaction?
They were very happy. And like even my father was also very happy. I was placed in a security role, cyber security role. Actually, my role is. So he was very happy.
And like, let's go back a little. So can you tell us, like, from which place you are and like childhood schooling, where did you do from?
I'm from Telangana. I did my schooling in Nalgonda district and +2 and graduation in Hyderabad. As soon as my graduation completed, I have joined in EdYoda platform. And then after joining in 5th month, I have got this job. But all of my friends have got before itself. In after 3 months itself, they have got EdYoda friends. Means my EdYoda friends, like we have met through Teams. Through Teams, they have guided me a lot for interview as well as for technical rounds. For each and everything, they have guided me a lot. Yeah, even my mentors, Dipesh Sharma, many of them helped us like to crack this job.
Okay. And can you tell us, like, graduation, what did you study?
Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Okay. So you did engineering. And after that, directly you went for EdYoda, or were you trying to look for jobs in between?
No, EdYoda at all. Through that, I have joined. Like, I felt that it was in a safe place to learn everything. It was in 100%. I feel what I feel is that one. And after I have joined also, and I got job. Not only me, many from EdYoda have placed. Why? Because from my team itself, I know many members, and everyone placed. Most of them were placed after 3 months itself. But for me, it takes time. For me, it took 5 months. But finally, I was placed.
So, like, you studied electronics and communication. So why sudden shift to like programming, tech industry?
Actually, we can implement hardware by using software also. And electronics and communication. The profile now, what I'm doing is regarding security. The subjects which I learned in my graduation were related to the job, to my job right now. Means in network also we'll do some issues. Even those in electronics communication, we had networking also. So for me, like on what I have studied, I am doing like right now on that only job.
Okay, so like, did you attend like placements from college also?
No, I didn't attend any placements in college. EdYoda was my first platform. Just I want to give a try, and I didn't got this in my first attempt or second attempt. Nearly this was my 10th company or maybe 11th company. In the company, like I used to do a lot of mistakes. It may be, and if I cleared the first written test, then I used to get stuck in my technical round. If I cleared technical round, I used to stuck in HR round. So from each company, I have learned few things, and I have cracked this job. Why? Because before I don't have any idea on placements. I didn't attend any placements also. So in EdYoda itself, I have learned everything: how to crack a job, how to attend every, like, even technical or HR or written test. I should find out my mistakes and I should clear all those. For the next step, I should give and better. But I want job. So if I want job, I should do some hard work. I should cover all the mistakes which I have did before.